How to make money with NFTs. If you're looking for a new way to make money, you should definitely consider investing in NFTs. Non-fungible tokens are becoming more and more popular, and there's a lot of potential for growth in this market. In this video, we'll discuss how NFTs work and how you can start making money with them. So, if you're ready to start making money with NFTs, keep watching until the end, as you'll be surprised by the ideas that we're about to give you. So what are NFTs? NFTs are digital assets that are unique and cannot be replicated. They're stored on the blockchain, which is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions. NFTs can represent anything from digital art to in-game items. And they're becoming increasingly popular as a way to invest in digital assets. NFTs are linked to the original owner's digital or physical assets. Technically, any digital object can be turned into an NFT. The great thing about NFTs is that anyone can make money off of them by selling their famous tweets, Facebook posts, and Instagram photos as NFTs. So what makes an NFT so valuable? One of the main reasons why NFTs are so valuable is because they're linked to the original owner's digital or physical assets. The blockchain stores and clearly shows who owns the asset. Ownership of NFTs can't be faked. The euphoric feeling of having exclusive ownership is one of the major drivers of its value. For the most part, the way people earn money and appreciate the value of their NFTs is through resale. How to make money with NFTs? One is to rent it out. The first and easiest way to make money with NFTs is to rent them out. The renting process works the same way as leasing a real estate property. NFTs can be rented by loaning them to someone for a set period in exchange for money. NFTs can be costly, but renting them out is a fantastic way to make extra cash without giving up your ownership. To rent out your NFT, list it on a marketplace that connects NFT owners with those who want to rent them. Make sure to set the rental price and the length of time, as well as any other conditions you want to include. Once you find a renter, transfer the NFT to them and collect payment. When the rental period is up, the renter will return the NFT to you. By listing it on a marketplace, you can reach a wide audience of potential renters and get top dollar for your NFTs. 2 is royalties. When it comes to digital assets, earning royalties is a great way to create passive income. By setting up terms for royalties, creators can earn a portion of the sales price on each instance of their asset that is sold. Royalties provide a reliable income stream for artists and can be an excellent choice for those looking to create a passive income stream. They can be confusing at first, but with a little research, they're worth considering when it comes to generating revenue from NFTs. 3 is trade your NFTs. The third and most common way that many people use to earn money from NFTs is by trading. In the same way that you would trade any other asset, you can trade an NFT. Many entrepreneurs and investors choose to purchase NFTs with the motive of making a return on that investment. If you find that you no longer want your NFTs, well, don't worry. You can sell them just as easily as if you made them yourself. The minting process will be the only step that you'll skip. In order to make a profit from investing in NFTs, you must be critical when examining an item for purchase. Not all NFTs are created equal. Some are worth millions of dollars, while others may be nearly worthless. Knowing when to sell is crucial in order to maximize your profits. While trading NFTs may seem risky, the potential rewards are definitely worth it. So remember to research before buying any NFTs and about their creators. Some NFTs can also turn out to be a scam, so make sure you invest wisely. 4. Staking NFTs. With staking, you have the potential to earn a passive income stream from your NFTs. This is an excellent way to generate revenue without selling or trading your NFTs. In order to stake your NFTs, you must first find a platform that allows you to do so. Once you've found a platform, you can choose which NFTs you want to stake. And after that, you'll need to deposit them into the platform's smart contract. And that's pretty much it, as after that, you'll be able to start earning a yield. There are many platforms that you can use to stake your NFTs, such as Only One, Hera Network, and Splinterlands. 5. Invest in NFT companies. You'll be surprised to know that, but you make tons of money by investing in NFT companies. By investing in these NFT companies, you can earn money directly through their NFTs. Non-fungible tokens aren't going anywhere anytime soon. That much is clear. They have the potential to transform the world in many different ways and across many different industries. There are many NFT startups in the cryptocurrency market that hold great potential. And if you can invest in these startups at the right time, you can make lots of money for sure. So, these are some of the ways in which you can make money with NFTs. Do remember that the sky is the limit when it comes to possibilities with NFTs. We will keep you updated on more such interesting applications of NFTs as they come up. In the meantime, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for exciting videos in the future. We'll see you next time.